and we were
Big
confident.
breaking news coming in, interrupting you, Dr. Anil Gupta, going straight across to Tejashri. Well, Aam Aadmi Party says that if the BJP touches even 30 in their leads, they're going to take away their MLAs and move off to some resort or maybe to Punjab, where they have a government. Tejashri, what's the latest information that you have?
Well, absolutely. The big breaking news that we are picking up right now is that if, BJP touches 30, then Aam Aadmi Party is planning, that they could take the MLAs to Punjab. And in fact, that is what the big scoop is as of now. However, everything will depend so as to what will be the trend. And the trend will be clear after 10 o'clock. And that is when Aam Aadmi Party will decide that what they have to do. But as of now, you see, the screens are ready where you will see the pictures of Arvind Kejriwal in a short while from now. And in fact, the leaders, as I've mentioned, have started already coming in. But there's a big breaking news. However, the number that Arvind Kejriwal gave on social media, that is 55 plus, as we have rightly mentioned. But the inner sources have been telling us that Aam Aadmi Party is pretty much confident of winning 50 seats. And in fact, if we, in a few seconds from now, Jasmine Shah will also be joining us. And in fact, we'll take this straight away, this question to him, that what if BJP wins 30 seats? What will be the Aam Aadmi Party's plan? Because the Aam Aadmi Party has been alleging since yesterday that BJP is in fact talking about poaching the MLAs. Not just that, but also have been talking about horse trading, and not just that, but also about Operation Lotus by BJP in the national capital. And these all allegations were made since yesterday itself. While we were reporting, we saw that there was high drama in the national capital, at ACB office, at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, at Aam Aadmi Party office as well. And in fact, as of now, Aam Aadmi Party office is all decked up with the karyakartas. Jasmine Shah ji, क्या लग रहा है? Early trends आना शुरू हो गए हैं. What would you like to say? As of now, New Delhi is showing the rising trends in favor of BJP.
Aam Aadmi Party is going to form the government again in Delhi with a very comfortable margin. And that is because, this was no usual election. It was a very unnatural election because Aam Aadmi Party was not fighting against just one political party. We were fighting against an entire system. And this system consisted of the BJP, ED, CBI, Delhi Police, Election Commission. All of these agencies worked at tools and wings of the BJP. And people were watching that there is only one party, one leader that is fighting for their rights. And that is why they have supported Aam Aadmi Party.
Jasmine ji, we are seeing the stage is all set up. Seems like Aam Aadmi Party is pretty much confident. But then why all these poaching charges and Operation Lotus being in Delhi, you alleged?
That is precisely because we are winning. If we were not winning, why would BJP try and poach our leaders? So BJP very well knows, it also knows what the reality is, that Aam Aadmi Party is going to win with a comfortable margin. And, this is a new version of Operation Lotus. Normally, Operation Lotus happens after the elections are over and BJP knows it has lost and it wants to destabilize opposition government. But now it knows that what the reality is, and they were hoping that chalo kuch log agar pehle toot jaye. But people know that this is Aam Aadmi Party.
Jasmine, you have written an entire book on Delhi, in fact, elections and how you have made the model. Then what, according to you, will be the number for Aam Aadmi Party? Arvind Kejriwal has said 55 plus.
You spoke about model. Let me tell your viewers that this is also a fight between completely two different ideologies of governance. On one side is the Aam Aadmi Party model, where we use the taxpayers' money to provide services to the Aam Aadmi. We talk about education, healthcare, bijli, pani, mahilaon ke liye free bus yatra, all the things that connect with the people's life.
Well, the campaign is over. Let's come back to the number. Well, let me just tell you, Aam Aadmi Party leading on 10, BJP leading on 15, 26 leads are in, Congress leading in Badli, one up there.